Hello, in this video we'll be checking out how much does one of the fastest growing YouTube channels make. I'm talking about the channel by the name of Stuff Made Here. To get some statistics on his channel we'll be using Social Blade. Thus far he has uploaded 19 videos and have amassed a subscriber count of 2.02 million. And his video views to date is 84,791,896. And his channel was created back in March 4th, 2020. And to get an idea of how much he's earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator, and we'll be estimating that his CPM is $4, and by the CPM I mean the cost per 1,000 views, and this is the amount of money a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate as it can go from anywhere from a few cents to up to $10 or $20 or even more, as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does the viewer end up watching the ad for, and if the viewer ends up clicking on the ad. For instance, if the video is being watched in America or Canada, it will have a much higher CPM rate compared to being watched in the Caribbean or Pakistan. Furthermore, if its videos are over 8 minutes long, as you can see, all of his videos are actually over the 8-minute mark, meaning he can put more than one ad break per video, meaning even more revenue. But with at least one ad break per video, and his estimated CPM being $4, and his daily view count being 198,000, he'll be earning $792 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, which would leave him with $435 per day, and for the month he'll be earning $13,068, and for the year $156,816.